Hello, I'm Dieter Legat, top management consultant with many years of experience in agile business management. With this short video, I would like to present the DELTA T-Cockpit, software as a service which assists business managers in agile management. If you are not yet familiar with agile business management, please view the 8.5-minute video Agile Business Management on the homepage of this website www.book-agile-operational-leadership.com. As you will see there, excellence in agile business management is essential to sustain a business in our times of accelerated change. To achieve that excellence, managers and their teams need a significant upgrade of management mindset and methods. A breakthrough project, hard to handle, and requiring resolution of several constraints. The first constraint for excellence in agile management is loss of focus on the operational goal. For excellence in agile management, every member of the operational team needs to be aware and to focus on contributing to the operational goal. Easier said than done, as most operational teams lose focus on the operational goal in the heat of daily problems. Second constraint, the rules for designing agile-ready operational plans are quite simple. Still, operational teams struggle to follow these rules rigorously, to express obligation DODs instead of actions, to use the right syntax for describing obstacles, to perform robust causal analyses for constraints, to focus on logically proven necessary conditions. In sum, checking against the legitimate logical reservations, as Bill Detmer, the world leader in TOC logic thinking processes, calls them. Third, robust execution of operational plans requires rock-solid reliability individually and regular quick reviews of all vital projects. Both do not come easy, and without robust organization of one's time and in view of accelerated change, which for executing project translates into permanent interruption. Fourth, the same applies for deep reviews, the critical analysis of each operational sprint at its end. Fifth, excellence in agile business management requires every single unit to have and manage its own goal chart, operational plan, and operational teams, including team members of other units. A serious obstacle of complexity of relations and logic trees. Sixth, PEC cycles need to be spun like a Swiss clockwork with a constantly updated event schedule, which is not a practice often found. However, without such operational heartbeat, PEC cycles slow down and lose their efficiency. Seventh, lack of measure for excellence in agility. It is difficult to define a measure and it's difficult to measure, but in essence, we must have a measure in order to identify where we need to help with coaching and leadership. And last, disruptions by reorganizations. People change, units change, we merge them, we split them. We spin them off, and in the end, we need to still keep the goal and the operational plans robust and stable. Now the DELTA T-Cockpit. Designed by experienced agility managers in many sprints of software development, guided by actual practitioners of agile business management, with utmost simplicity for the user, one single screen for all users with just 4 widgets. Widget number 1, the goal chart prominently displayed. Widget number 2, the workbench, presenting the list of personal obligations a user has committed to deliver as contribution to the operational plan. Number 3, measure of excellence in agility. Number 4, a cockpit-specific mailbox. This is the main screen for all users, simple and clear. Let me now show with examples how the cockpit supports resolution of constraints I mentioned before. First, overcome the loss of focus on the goal. The DELTA T-Cockpit emphasizes this vital focus by positioning the goal chart dominantly and large. This is the goal for the operational team. This is what all effort is about. All team members see it and thus will relate their obligations to the goal. The DELTA T-Cockpit just makes it impossible to forget the goal. Agile-ready operational plan comprises the obligations which will bring the operational team to their goal. Each element in the logic tree proving causal connection between an obligation and the obstacle or constraint the obligation will resolve, only containing the vital few obligations, all vital. The DELTA T-Cockpit assists the robust design of such plans. Step by step, users build their plan's logic tree backwards from the goal. When done, all team members confirm their obligations, their commitment to contribute to their team's success. The DELTA T-Cockpit presents then to all users their operational plan on one single click. All users can see at a glance how their obligation contributes to bring their unit to their goal. Robust execution of operational plans requires rock-solid reliability from every user, every team member. In other words, meticulous work on and delivery of obligations committed to. To assist, the DELTA T-Cockpit presents 2 widgets. First, My Obligations, positioned prominently under the goal chart on the main screen, presents the user's workbench, the list of obligations to work on with actions to be taken. In addition, robust execution requires regular quick review of all obligations in a team's operational plan. The DELTA T-Cockpit presents such quick reviews at one click. As fourth example for how the DELTA T-Cockpit resolves constraints to agile business management, here is the case of multiple business units. Many companies have them, like geographic units in our example. For agility, each unit needs to have its own goal chart as a sub-goal of the top-level goal, and its own operational plan to address its own obstacles and constraints. This need creates significant complexity. The DELTA T-Cockpit resolves this complexity by supporting both hierarchical and matrix-type structures of units. Finally, the DELTA T-Cockpit offers measuring and tracking the indicator of excellence in operational management by business unit. This indicator shows where leadership and coaching are required. In the example here, you can see how management coaching improved this performance measure in 4 units of the company. With this video, I wanted to offer a brief insight on how the DELTA T-Cockpit assists managers in agile business leadership. To sum it up, agile leadership does not come easy, needs a serious update of management mindset and methods. As in any change, constraints need to be overcome, and the DELTA T-Cockpit assists management to do so. Any questions? Please let me know. I will answer with pleasure.